What's up, ladies and gents? Weekly Outlook video. Today is August the 9th on a Sunday. My battery is 100% charged. Love it. Alright, anyways, let's get going, guys. Let's start with USD ZAR right here. Price is looking to probably will fully break this level. If it breaks this level again, we'll wait for a retest or with momentum to enter in long. Same thing with Euro ZAR, waiting for price to break this level or show us continuous momentum with a series of engulfing candles, and we will go in long as well. NAS USD price is on a consistent overall uptrend. Price is retesting this zone, so I'll wait for more rejection at this zone to enter in long. Let me move this a little bit above to cover these wicks right here. Move it a bit higher so it can correspond to more previous and recent market data. That looks better right there. All right, perfect. So SPX 500, this is an analysis I called out right here as well. Now waiting for price to break this key level and come back for a retest to go in long right there. Right, gold price broke this level but not cleanly, still consolidating around this zone. Probably delete this zone right now and draw some more zone when price keeps on going down or rejects the zone and keeps on going up. I'll mark up a key level right here. That looks more clear. And for a more conservative trade on a higher time frame, like let's say the H1, I would wait for price to break this key level to be sure of the continuous uptrend. But on a lower time frame, if the price rejects this zone and sets up structure between here and here, we can enter in to go long early. Alright, so GBP JPY, let's go on the H1 time frame, consistent uptrend, price is retesting the support. So if we see more rejection at the zone, we will be valid to enter in long. This was a decent setup right here after these two rejections, but right now price is decently in profit. I would wait for more rejections back at the zone if it does, and we'll get in long. Or if price breaks the zone above, we'll look for entries after the break and retest. GBP CHF right here. Let's go on a higher time frame, H4. Price is on a steady uptrend but rejected the zone right here, and price rejected the zone as well. So now I'll wait for price to either break this zone, come back retest for an entry, or if it breaks this zone and forms another zone and heads towards the downside some more, and I'll look for a short entry setup. USD CZK price is rejecting this zone of resistance right here. We'll see if it keeps on rejecting it to enter in for a possible short setup. Price is still maintaining the overall downtrend. We still have a series of lower lows and we still have a series of lower highs. So we're still on an overall downtrend on USD CZK. AUD NZD, we are on a steady uptrend. Let me delete these. I had these previously and we actually won that trade, which was absolutely amazing. So AUD NZD on a consistent uptrend, maintaining clear market structure. Price has already tested the zone again after the break, rejected the zone, most likely will not come back again and test it. So now if price breaks this zone of resistance right here, I would wait for a retest to enter in long. GBP and OK right here, I would wait for price to break this zone here to look for a possible long setup. Wait for price to break multiple key levels to be sure of the continuous possible new uptrend, because price was on an overall downtrend for a long time and now it's looking like a possible continuation of the uptrend. So USD CNH, price is retesting the zone, I'll wait for more rejection to enter in short. Market just opened right now. We'll see what happens in a few hours from now. NZD CAD, price is retesting the zone. Recent new market structure is looking downwards. We have a series of low highs, but we can still see continuous rejection at this zone, and we can go in long because overall we are still on an uptrend, but very short recent market data, price has been going down. So we'll see how price reacts at the zone. If we continuously have rejection and bullish engulfing candles, we will enter in long. Excuse me. GBP AUD, price is overall on a steady downtrend. Retested the zone, got rejected. If you entered this setup, good. If you did not enter the setup, we could have another retest at this zone, but it's very unlikely because currently we have a downward market structure. We have a high right here, lower than this high. We have a downward market structure. So if price maintains, it will probably keep on going down from here. All right. So let's go on USD NOK. Overall downward market structure, maintaining clear break and retest structure. Price broke this level just a little bit, so I'll be iffy to enter this trade. I would wait for more market certainty, and I would draw another level right here at the bottom. I would wait for price to break this key level right here to enter in for possible short setup. GBP and ZD right here. Overall, we are still on a downtrend, but very recent market data, we are heading upwards. So it all depends on what price does at this level. If we have consistent rejection at this level on the H4 time frame, we can enter in short, but once price breaks this level, we are seeing a continuation of the new uptrend. So if price breaks this level, we'll wait for a retest here to go long, and if it breaks this level again, another retest to go long. USD SEK, waiting for a retest at the zone to go long, go short, excuse me, or a break of the zone and a retest to go short as well. USD CAD, price is currently retesting the zone. Looks like it could break. We don't know yet. Market just opened, so if we still keep seeing consistent rejection at the zone, we can enter in short. But if price continuously keeps on being bullish, we'll wait for price to break more key levels to go in long. Euro try, we have a level all the way down here. We have a new support, but I'll keep this level down here. And I'll wait for price to come back to this level, retest for possible long setup. I'll also mark up a level at the very top over here for price to come back. Price to break this zone, retest it, and we'll possibly look for a long setup. USD RON, I'll mark up this level here as well. Wait for price to retest the zone. If we have consistent rejection, we can enter in short, or price breaks the zone, we can look for retest to enter in short as well. Euro PLN, same thing, possible retest at the zone to go in short, or break of the zone to go in short after retest, or we have continuous momentum at the key level. Euro JPY, consistent uptrend right here, possible retest at the zone to go in long. After price retest the zone, we have a possible setup to go in long and target this high over here. Or if price does not retest the zone, it can keep heading upwards, break this zone, come back and retest, but only enter after we see clear rejection at the key levels. Gold right here, I mean this is XAU euro, gold versus the euro actually. This is the clearest level I have here. If price comes all the way down and retest the zone, I'll wait for rejection to go in long. Right now, if price continues bullish, I'll draw another key level right here and wait for price to potentially break this level and retest to go in long. USD SGD, waiting for price to break this level to go in short. Let me extend this resistance right here. We could have another retest of this zone to go in short again. USD SGD is a pair that's been consistently called out and been dominated non-stop. I called it out all the way back here twice, called it out here, called it out here, here again, non-stop wins. I think like 5 wins in a row on USD SGD. Amazing. So AD SGD, missed this setup over here, but we can have a break of this level and a retest to go long, or another retest of this level to go long as well. Euro HUF looks a bit choppy. To go short, I would wait for price to break this level and retest to go short. To go long, since we've had a recent downtrend, I would wait for price to break this level before I go in long. USD CHF, I would wait for price to come and test this resistance over here. Extend it a little bit. Yeah, I would wait for price to test this level to go in short, or a break and retest of this level, or momentum at this zone to go in short. Silver, let's zoom into the R1. I think that's the R1 level. Yep, an R1 level, probably a minute 15 level as well. Yes, so we can have a retest of the zone to go in long, or we can have price breaking this level over here and a retest to go in long. NZD USD, overall steady consistent uptrend. Price is respecting levels nicely. If we have continuous rejection at the zone, we can enter in long for sure. Yeah, if we still have continuous rejection at the zone or a clear engulfing candle, we can enter in long, or we can have price break this level and retest to enter in long as well. So we'll see what happens. That's a pair to watch for sure for the next few hours. GBP MXN, we could have a retest here to go in long, or a break of this level and a retest to go in long as well. Euro MXN, we can have a retest of the zone. I called this markup out as well. We have the retest of the zone to go in long as well and target this high. As long as we see rejection after this retest, this would be a good trade to enter in. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Extend that level over here. We can have a retest of CAD CHF again to go in short, or break up this level and a retest to go in short as well. Same thing with USD JPY. We can have more rejection potentially at this level to go in short as well. Let me delete this level. This one's a little loud right now. US 30, I would wait for price to break this level over here and show us continuous bullish momentum, or retest to go in long. Euro CZK, I'll wait for price to break this level to go in short, or a retest of this zone to go in short. USD ROB, I would wait for price to break this level right now to go in long after the retest. USD PLN. I would wait for more rejection at the zone. Right now price is just a little bit below the level. I'll wait for it to go inside and show us more pin bars to go in short. USD CZK, more rejection at the zone to go in short, or a break of this level to go in short as well. And by the way guys, if the pairs are really exotic, you can just delete them from your list. You do not have to trade the really exotic pairs. I would recommend start with having and trading mainly the major pairs and the common pairs, and if you're very comfortable and you have a large capital and with a good broker as well, you can trade the exotic pairs as long as you're swing trading or day trading. Do not trade exotics just for scalping. Exotics aren't good for scalping because of the high spreads they have. Alright, so Euro GBP, I'll wait for price to break this level for potential long entry after the retest. GBP SEK, price is starting a new uptrend. I would wait for price to break this level to look for a potential long setup. NZD CHF, same thing. I mean, not the same thing, this is a bit different. This is on a downward market structure. I would wait for price to break this level, form a new level below, and then I would look for a potential area to sell for a short setup. AUD CAD looks a bit choppy. There's a lot of market manipulation that happened all the way from here all the way here. You can see price is on an uptrend, rejected this level, came down, broke it. People would have expected it to retest this level, then go long, but it completely broke this level, and instead of continuing downwards, it came back, tested this level, and it's now going downwards. Now it could reject this zone right here and go upwards and break these two zones. So I would wait for more clear certainty. I would wait for price to break these two levels before I go in long. To go in short, I would wait for price to keep going down and form new levels before I go in short. GBP CAD, I would wait for price to either retest this zone again to go in long, or break this level to go in long as well after the retest. Euro SEK, rejection at the zone would be good to enter in short, or break off the zone below to enter in short as well. USD MXN, it's ranging between these two zones on a higher time frame. I'd wait for price to break this zone and set up to go in short after the retest. GBP DKK, same thing. I'd wait for a break of this zone below and the retest to go in short, because it's still on an overall downtrend. We're still on an overall downtrend on GBP DKK. But if price breaks this level above the zone I have above, I would wait for a new zone to form, break that, and I'd go in long. NZD JPY, price is bouncing between these two zones right here. It's ranging between these two zones. Only possible entry here would be on a lower time frame entry. If you see the continuation of the downtrend, you can enter on the lower time frame, like the minute 15. But looking at the overall higher time frame analysis, I would wait for price to break one of these two levels to be completely sure. Or if you go on the hour one, I would wait for price to form some more new levels or break this low over here. Yeah, price breaks this low over here to get in a potential possible short setup if price breaks this level. So I'll leave this medium priority for now and move it up here. So GBP DKK, I'll wait for price to break this level. Wait, did I think I already analyzed GBP DKK? Or was that another pair? Yeah, that was probably another pair. They look very similar though. The GBP CDK. Yeah. Anyways, let's get going. I would wait for price to break this level and retest to go in short, or break this level and another key level to go in long if price goes on the upside and breaks this level. So euro NOK, I would wait since price has been a bit choppy between these two zones, although it's respecting these two zones but not respecting continuous market structure. Why I say that is we were on a steady downtrend from here. We tested this level, rejected this level again, rejected, but it came back and now broke this level, tested it, rejected this zone, kept going up. Instead of breaking this level, retesting it, rejected this zone now and it's going down. So I'd wait for price to either break this level, then I'll look for potential short setup after the break, or if price goes up, breaks this level and breaks this one, then I'll look for potential long setup. Excuse me. So that's it for the analysis on all these currency pairs. All these other ones below, nothing clear setting up, but I'll do some more analysis on them later on. These are just stocks I'm looking at. Ignore this. From Tesla below, ignore all of that. All of these are the currency pairs. All these blue ones are trades that I'm in that are already in profit, and I have break-even stop losses on all of these except Euro 80. I think I don't have a break-even stop loss on this one yet, just a regular stop loss. But all of these are in profit plus some more. GU, I'm not in GU, but I just have it around these because its structure looks a bit similar to Euro USD. That's why I have it here in close proximity to it. Yeah, but that's it for the currency pairs. For all LucidFX students, I'll send the screenshot of these on the weekly price action analysis chat. I'll do some divergence analysis later on and send that as well. Levels effects, everyone here, enjoy, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.